Hello everyone, a very warm mabuhay and welcome to the Philippines. My name is Dessa. It's absolute pleasure to finally meet you all. And I know you're traveling quiet a distance from the United States. And we are so excited to have you here. You're about to embark on an unexpectable journey through our beautiful islands filled with adventure, stunning sight, and unique experience. Speaking of unique experience, I want to share a little spares you hear a lot. Here is salamat po. It means thank you, but the po is part of special layer of respect and warmth. It's a small word and that show big appreciation, and if you try it out, you all definitely get some appreciative smile back. And I'm genuinely thrilled for you to discover everything our country has to offer, from our amazing beaches and varied cities to our delicious cuisine, which is I can wait for you to try. Most importantly, you experience our world famous Filipino hospitality. I'm here as your dedicated guide, so please feel free to ask any question or let me know if you there anything at all you I can to make your trip truly special. Your comfort and enjoyment are my priority. So let's get ready to all unforgettable adventure that the Philippines is waiting to welcome you with the open arms. Again, mabuhay, and let's make some wonderful memories together.